Hey guys, I just thought I would do a video real quick to show you a few things for this lesson, and we're just talking about dilations. Here we go. So we're going to draw dilations, but really you're just going to sketch them. We don't have to be exact on that. And then we're going to see how dilations affect certain points and different shapes on a coordinate plane. So basically a dilation is when an object gets larger or smaller. The factor by which it gets larger or smaller is called the scale factor. And if that is greater than 1, then your image or your pre-image is getting bigger. And then if it's less than 1 but greater than 0, then it's going to be getting smaller. So if you have a scale factor of 1/2, your object is going to be, in a sense, half the size of what it originally was. So to draw a dilation, we always have this point that we are going by, and just going to kind of show you, oops, I think I have to hit pen. Just to kind of show you what you want to do, because you'll do this on the worksheet I have for you. You'll just kind of figure out, oh, all right, it's, I don't know, say 2 centimeters or 1 centimeter from C to Q. And then you're going to multiply that length by the scale factor. So the scale factor is 3. So if this was 1 centimeter, then we're going to draw a new line that's now 3 centimeters, or essentially 3 times as long as that. And then this will be our new Q point right here. All right. And we would do that with each one of these points. So C to P is now going to be, well, this is not working very well. Yep, I think I'll just click it and let the computer do it. So you do that with every single point. Measure how far it is away from C, or the center, and then just triple it or just multiply it by whatever scale factor you're using. So this is what the new trapezoid would look like. If we went, I think this answer is B. Yep, if we had a scale factor of 1/3, it's going to be smaller, 1/3 smaller. So we have the original is this one in blue, and that's actually called the pre-image, and then the image is the one in green. So the blue one, if I look at the point L to C and I measured that and say it was, I don't know, 3 inches, okay, and then we multiplied that by 1/3, that would give us 1 inch. So now this new line would only go to here, and eventually we would have just this small triangle here. Okay, I think I'm gonna fly through this, and I just wanted to show you one other thing. As long as you realize that dilating is multiplying, then I think we got this. Okay, here. So in the coordinate plane, whatever your point is, your xy point, in this case M is 2, 3, you're going to multiply each x and each y by the scale factor. So in this case, you have 2, and you're going to multiply it by 2 to get 4, and then you're going to multiply 3 by 2 to get 6. So your new point then would be 4, 6. And this is the equation technically for it, where k is the scale factor. We'll just do this real quick. Looking at it, you're going to see that k is going to make it smaller. Okay, so the dilation is going to be smaller. So we're just going to go ahead, and each of these points then are going to be 1/4 of what they were. So -8 times 1/4, or divided by 4, is -2. 4 times 1/4 is 1, and so forth. We're just going to do that through all these. So this is -1, this is 2, this is hard to write on. G becomes 8 times 1/4 is 2, 4 times 1/4 is 1, and these should be prime because that's after the transformation. And then H is going to be -1, -2. And I'll click through and you can see how this has changed, that it's gotten smaller. All right, so original is blue, the new one is green, and that's what you do. You'll plot the original and then you'll go ahead and multiply each coordinate with the scale factor, and then you'll plot the new point. This one will get bigger because the scale factor is given here at 1.5. So the original, well, this time the original is in green and then the new one is in blue. All right, I think that's all I really have for you. So good luck. You're just doing 22 and 24, I think, out of the book, those two numbers, and then you have a worksheet that Mrs. Just will hand out. So thank you guys. See you tomorrow.